Welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Like, share and subscribe my channel. So hello everyone, in this video I am going to start from sum number 6. For the previous sums or the other chapter from class 12, please check the description box. The link will be there. Okay, so here in sum number 6, so that the function f such that r to r, that means real number, it's defined by fx equal to 2x minus 1 by 3 is 1 1 and onto function. Also find the inverse of the function. So that means first you have to show that this one is a 1 1 function or onto function. Okay, so clear. As here fx equal to 2x minus 1 by 3 for all x belongs to real number. Okay, so first you have to show this one is a 1 1 function, that means injectivity. So first let for all xy belongs to R such that fx equal to fy. Okay, so that means here fx means 2x minus 1 by 3 and fy equal to 2y minus 1 by 3. Here 3 cancel out, then 2x equal to 2y because 1 1 again cancel out. So from that you can write x equal to y. So as fx equal to fy, for that x equal to y, that means here f is 1 1 function. Okay, now next thing you have to prove the onto function. So for onto function, let y belongs to r be any arbitrary element than fx equal to y. Okay, so that means here 2x minus 1 by 3 that equal to y. So from that x equal to, first 2x equal to 3y plus 1, and from that x equal to 3y plus 1 by 2. Okay, 3y plus 1 by 2 belongs to r. That means here x also belongs to r. So thus for all y belongs to r, there exists x belongs to r. Okay, such that fx equal to f into 3y plus 1 by 2, and that equal to 2 into this one 3y plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. Okay, so here again 2 cancel out, so it becomes 3y plus 1 minus 1 by 3, again 1 cancel out, so it becomes y. So from that fx equal to y. So f is onto function. Okay, so that means f is 1 1 function and f is onto function. So now you have to find out f inverse, because if f is 1 1 and onto function, that means f inverse exists. So here now you have to find f inverse. Okay, so to find out here f inverse, first let fx equal to y. So as fx equal to y, then 2x minus 1 by 3 that equal to y, and from that x equal to 3y plus 1 by 2. Okay, so since y equal to fx and f is invertible, that means f inverse y equal to 3y plus 1 by 2 for all y belongs to r. So that is the value of f inverse y. Now sum number 7. If a equal to real number minus 3 and b is a set where real number except 2. Okay, so a is a set where real number except 3 and b is a set where real number except 2. Find the function f such that a to b, okay, is given by here fx equal to 2x plus 1 by x plus 3, then so that the function is 1 1 and onto, and after that again you have to find out the f inverse. Okay, so that means first here you have to check the injectivity for 1 1. Okay, so for all x y belongs to a, okay, for all x and y belongs to A such that fx equal to fy. Okay, now fx means 2x plus 1 by x plus 3 and fy means 2y plus 1 plus y by 3. Okay, now cross multiply, so 2x plus 1 into y plus 3 and here 2y plus 1 into x plus 3. So after multiplication it will be here y, then 6x and then 3. Here also 2xy plus x plus 6y plus 3. So 2xy cancel out, 3 cancel out. Okay, so here you have y plus 6x and here you have x plus 6y. So y minus 6y becomes minus 5y. Here x minus 6x it become minus. So that means here x equal to y. Okay, so for all xy belongs to A, fx equal to fy, that equal to x equal to y. That means here f is 1 function. Now you have to check the surjectivity. Okay, so for let y belongs to B, any arbitrary element. Okay, so here y belongs to B, be any arbitrary element, then y equal to fx, and remember that y not equal to 2. Okay, and y belongs to real number. Okay, as y belongs to B, that means y not equal to 2, because the set of B is, so it said that the real number except 2. So now you can write as y equal to fx, that means 2x plus 1 by x plus 3, that equal to y. Okay, so from that here 2x plus 1 equal to xy plus 3y. So then x equal to 3y minus 1 by 2 minus y. And since y belongs to R, so that means this one, that means this one also belongs to R, as y not equal to 2. Okay, and here also y not equal to 2. Now also 3y minus r, 2 minus y, that also not equal to minus 3. Okay, because the set A contains the real number except 3. So this one also not equal to 3. Now if this one, that means 3y minus 1 by 2, that equal to minus 3, then here 3y minus 1 equal to minus 6 plus 3y. So here 3y cancel out, then minus 1 equal to minus 6, that means 1 equal to 6, and which is not true or false. Okay, which is not true or false, because 1 not equal to 6 always. Okay, so here x equal to 3y minus 1, 2 minus y also belongs to R except 3, and that means that equal to A. Okay, so thus for all y belongs to B, there exists x belongs to A, such that here f x equal to f3y minus 1 by 2 minus 1, and from that you have to show that this one equal to 1. Okay, so now you have that one, the formula equal to 2 into, because 2x plus 1, what is the formula of fx? Fx equal to 2x plus 1. So instead of x you have to write down this one. Okay, then 1 and divided by again this one plus 3. Okay, so now here by the LCM as 2 minus y, so it will be 6y minus 2 plus 2 minus y, and here also 3y minus 1 plus 6 minus 3y, and 2 minus y will be cancel out from the denominator. Here 2 cancel out, here 3y cancel out. So upper one 6y minus y, and that equal to 5y, and here also 5. So 5y by 5, that equal to y. So fx equal to y, that means f is onto function. Hence f is 1 1 function and f is onto function. That means hence f is invertible. Okay, f is invertible. That means f inverse exists. F inverse exist. Clear? Now you have to find out f inverse. So let fx equal to y, that means 2x plus 1 by x plus 3 equal to y, and from that x equal to 3y minus 1 by 2 minus y. So as x equal to this one, and since y equal to fx and f is invertible, that means f inverse y equal to x, and that equal to 3y minus 1 by 2 minus y. Okay, so here f inverse y equal to this one for all y belongs to b minus 2. Okay, so this one is your answer. So here now sum number 8. So in sum number 8, here f such that r minus minus 4 by 3 tends to r minus 4 by 3. Okay, so this was your domain and this was your codomain, defined by fx equal to this one 4x plus 3 by 3x plus 4. Then show that f is bijective. Find the inverse of f, and hence find f inverse 0 and x such that f inverse x equal to 2. So first you have to show that this one is a bijective function. That means you have to show that f is 1 1 function and as well as onto function. So for the 1 1, for all xy belongs to r minus minus 4 by 3 such that fx equal to fy. So that imply 4x plus 3 by 3x plus 4, and that equal to 4y plus 3, 3y plus 4. Okay, so then cross multiply. After cross multiply you will get 12xy, 9y, 16x plus 12, and here also 12xy, then 16y, then 9x, and then 12. So 12 cancel out, 12xy cancel out. Okay, so now 16x minus 9x, it becomes 7x, and that equal to 7y. So from that x equal to y. Okay, thus f is 1 1. Now you have to show that it's a onto function. So let y belongs to r minus 4 by 3 be any arbitrary element, that is y not equal to 4 by 3. Okay, and y belongs to also r. Y not equal to 4 by 3 and y belongs to r. So let y equal to fx, and that equal to 4x plus 3 by 3x plus 4. So from that y into 3x plus 4 equal to 4x plus 3. Okay, so that equal to 3xy plus 4y equal to 4x plus 3. So that means here if x will be common, so 3y minus 4 equal to 3 minus 4y. So from that x equal to 3 minus 4y by 3y minus 4. Okay, as since y belongs to r and y not equal to 4 by 3, that means this one also belongs to r. Okay, this one also belongs to r, and also, and remember that also this one, that means 3 minus 4y by 3y minus 4 not equal to minus 4 by 3, not equal to minus 4 by 3, because if this one equal to 4 by 3, if this one 3y minus 4 equal to minus 4 by 3, then after cross multiply minus 12y, here 16, so here 9 equal to 16, and which is not possible, that means which is false. Okay, 9 not equal to 16. Always you can write for all y belongs to, for all y belongs to R minus 4 by 3, there exists x belongs to R minus 4 by 3. Okay, there exists R minus 4 such that here fx equal to f this one. So you have to write this one, 3 minus 4y by 3y minus 4, and that equal to, you have to show that this one equal to y. So as you know, what is the value of fx? The value of fx here 4x plus 3 by 3x plus 4. So instead of x, just write down this one plus 3, and here also 3 into 3 minus 4y by 3y minus 4. Okay, so now by the LCM, the upper one will be 12 minus 16y plus 9y minus 12, and here 9 minus 12y, then minus 12y plus 16. Okay, so now here 12 and 12 cancel out. Okay, sorry, this one equal to plus 4, that means this one equal to 12, so again 12 cancel out. So upper one will be 7 minus 7y, and lower one here, so it will be minus again, not the plus, so minus 7. So minus 7 cancel out, and this one equal to y. So fx equal to y. Okay, that means f is on 2. Okay, so as f is 1 1 and f is 1 2, so clearly f is bijective. It's proof, and that means here f inverse exists. You have to find out the f inverse. So let y equal to fx, and that equal to 4x plus 3 by 3x plus 4. Okay, so from that x equal to 3 minus 4y and 3y minus 4. Okay, so here y equal to fx and f is invertible, that means f inverse y equal to x, that means 3 minus 4y by 3y minus 4. Okay, so thus here f is function, f inverse y equal to this one. Okay, f inverse y equal to this one. Now you have to find out f inverse 0, and f inverse 0 means 3 minus 4 into 0, here 3 into 0 minus 4, so it becomes 3 by 4. So 3 by minus 4, it's your first answer. And next one, you have to find the value of f, the value of x if f inverse x equal to 2. F inverse x equal to 2, it's given. Okay, f inverse x equal to 2, it's given. You have to find out the value of x. So as here f inverse y equal to this one, so f inverse x will be 3 minus 4x, and here 3x minus 4. Instead of y, you have to just write down x, and that equal to 2. So from that 3 minus 4x equal to 6x minus 8. Okay, so here minus 10x equal to minus 11, that means x equal to 11 by 10. Here minus cancel out, so x equal to 11 by 10 is your final answer. Now sum number 9. Consider the function f such that r plus 2, here close interval 9 to infinity, defined by fx equal to x square plus 9, where this r plus means the set of all non-negative real number. Remember that, the set of all non-negative real number, so that f is inversible, and also find the inverse of f. So that means here again you have to show this one is a 1 1 and on 2 function. Okay, so first for 1 1, for xy belongs to r such that, or you can write down r plus, such that fx equal to fy, and that means here x square plus 9 equal to y square plus 9. So from that x square equal to y square, so from that x equal to y. Okay, that means you have to consider here only positive values, because x, y both are belongs to real number r plus. So here f is 1 1. Okay, now next thing you have to prove onto. So let y belongs to 9 to infinity and y equal to fx. So that means here y equal to x square plus 9. So from that x square equal to y minus 9 and x equal to root over y minus 9. Okay, so x equal to root over y minus 9, and as x belongs to real number r plus, that means here x greater than equal to 0. Okay, so as y belongs to 9 to infinity, that means that imply you can write y minus 9 belongs to r plus, because if for 9 that equal to here 0, so it's also positive, and here if 9, 10, 11, 12, it becomes always a positive real number. So that means root over y minus 9 belongs to also r plus. So that imply x belongs to r plus as y greater than equal to 9, and that imply y minus 9 greater than equal to 0. Okay, so now if x equal to f y minus 9, and that equal to root over y minus 9 whole square plus 9. So from that y minus 9 plus 9 equal to y. Okay, so here fx equal to y, so therefore f is onto. So f is 1 1 and f is onto, that means f is a bijective function. So if f is bijective function, so f inverse exists. So now x equal to f inverse y, then y equal to fx, that means x square plus 9. So from that x equal to root over y minus 9, so f inverse y equal to root over y minus 9. So f inverse y equal to root over y minus 9 for all y belongs to 9 to infinity. Now sum number 10, and this is the last sum for this video. So guys, if you like my video, please share this video and please subscribe my channel if you are a new viewer. So here if f such that r0 to r0, here r0 means the set of all non-zero real numbers, okay, and it's defined by fx equal to 3 by x is invertible, you have to show that, and it is also the inverse of itself. Okay, so that means first you have to prove the injectivity and the surjectivity. So for all xy belongs to r0, then fx equal to fy, you know that. So fx equal to fy for all xy belongs to r0, that means here that imply 3 by x equal to 3 by y. So from that x equal to y, and here xy not equal to 0, so that means here f is 1 1. Now the next thing you have to prove that the subjectivity. Okay, so let मैं थोड़ा शॉर्टकट में कर रहा हूँ. Let y belongs to r0 for any arbitrary element, then y equal to fx, and that equal to 3 by x. So from that x equal to 3 by y, and as y belongs to r0 and y not equal to 0, therefore x also belongs to r0. Okay, so thus for all y belongs to r0, there exists for all x belongs to r0. Okay, such that fx equal to f3 by y, and that equal to 3 by 3 into y. So 3 cancel out, it becomes y. So here fx equal to y, and as fx equal to y, therefore f is onto. So as f is 1 1, f is onto, that means f is bijective এবং f inverse exists. Okay, f inverse exists. Now to find f inverse, so you know that x equal to 3 by y, so f inverse y equal to 3 by y. Okay, f inverse y equal to 3 by y, and again you have to show that it is the inverse of itself. So as here you see that f inverse y equal to 3 by y, then the inverse function f inverse such that r0 to r0, and it's defined by f inverse y equal to 3 by y. Okay, so clearly you have to write down this one, f inverse equal to f, because for f inverse x that equal to also 3 by x, and for all x belongs to 0, that means for f inverse x it equal to fx. So that means the inverse there, the function is inverse with itself, and it's proved.